in this bomb, yes, this is a nuclear bomb. Inside of this, I have the solution, the serum, the syrup, the chemical compound that will immediately make you not only more confident, which is the point of this video, but also healthier and more attractive, and it'll make your facial skin clearer and all of this. It's right in here. It's right in here. Why would this be in a bomb? Don't ask me. I'm going to pour it. I'm going to show you it. Right. It's called water. And the reason why this is such a hack for when it comes to becoming more confident with socializing is because it's such a simple concept, honestly, and I don't know why no one talks about it in this space. But it's just because it makes you healthier, and being healthy is like the core fundamental principle of becoming more confident. Because think about it, if you want to become more, confident, you want to talk to more people, what is that based on? Like, let's say you talk to people and everyone you talk to is like rejecting you. Even in sales, right? You're selling to people and everyone is just saying, no, I won't buy your product. I won't buy. Everyone is rejecting you or walking past you. What is that going to do to you? It's going to lower your confidence. And then when you go to do the next sale, you're going to be less attuned. You're going to kind of assume they'll just reject you like everyone else. And there'll be a higher chance they actually do, because you don't speak to them with the same clarity and presence that you normally would. And that's just like a negative feedback loop. It just streaks downwards, a spiral of failure. If you want to speak to people and you are unhealthy, you're obviously just going to be less present. You're going to be more negative. Like, imagine you're sleep deprived, you haven't eaten anything, you haven't drank water in hours, you're really thirsty, you're tired and everything, you're sweating. And then you see someone you want to talk to. You see like the hottest girl ever. When you speak to her, bro, you're going to be so exhausted, so tired. You're going to just be so low energy. When you speak to her, bro, you're going to be like, hello. But she's going to run away from you. She's literally going to scream and run, and she's going to be like, help me, someone assaulted me. What is that gonna do to your confidence, bro? It's going to just completely mess you up, and you're going to obviously be worse off when you speak to someone new. By being healthy, by being in your top condition, that is the perfect, most ideal state to actually speak to someone new. Of course, if you're healthy, you're going to be higher energy, you're going to be happier. I always feel so much happier when I have a good night of sleep. You're going to be happier, bro. And when you speak to people happier, clearer, with more passion and enthusiasm, what's going to happen? More people are going to actually accept you, and they'll be like, yes, let's talk. You're really fun to speak to. What's your name? They'll want to talk to you, bro. So if you want to become more, if you want to have more social skills instantly and become more charismatic, just become healthier, bro. If you're unhealthy, you're going to just fail in every area of life. Being healthy is the panacea to every single problem that you have, including social skills. And I said water because, of course, this is the building block of life. This is the most basic thing. But just get your health in order in general, bro. Eat good foods that aren't hyper processed. If you're eating chocolate every day, get rid of that, bro. If you aren't going outside at all, start going outside. Get some sunlight. Go on daily walks for 10-15 minutes. It's really not that difficult. And just doing these short things, get enough sleep, that'll be enough to just completely 180 your health. By just doing this, by getting 8 hours, 9 hours of sleep at the same time every single night and waking up at the same time, drinking at least 2.5 liters of water a day, eating healthy meals daily, and what's another fundamental? Going outside for 10 minutes a day. I'm actually certain, I haven't searched this up or anything, and I'm actually gonna search this up. I'm actually certain you'll be in the top like 10%, 5% of health worldwide. Like worldwide, you will be in the top percentile of healthiness. Let me search this up. Yeah, by doing this, I just searched up. By doing this, you'd be around like top 30%. Add in running every day, like on that walk instead you do running, you'll easily be in the top 10% of health worldwide. It's that easy, bro. If you're on the top 10% of health, think about what big advantage you have. Such a huge advantage just by doing these simple things that don't even take any time. Like, you're going to eat anyways, but you might as well eat good foods. And those are easier to meal prep as well. You're going to drink water anyways. It's not really a waste of time to drink water. You don't wake up and you're like, ah, man, I have to drink water today. That's such a waste of time. I'm so busy. Where's my watch? I'm so busy, you know. I don't have time to drink water, man. Ah, damn it. Damn this Prince guy. You aren't going to be like that, bro. You're going to sleep anyways. It's not a waste of time to sleep. You might as well be sleeping at the same time consistently. It just makes sense. It's not really that tricky. It's really not. That's the highest ROI thing you could do for your confidence. I hope this video helped you. If you want to become more confident even faster, check out the top link in the description. It's the social protocol, and it will get you more confident with like courses that explain exactly what to do in what order. You can talk to me in there. There's like a community of people who are also on that same path.